Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice your free kick in eFootball 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner and new into this game, still confusing how you can play this game, how this game is works, and how you can complete the mission, challenge the event so you get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training, tap this one, free training. Train your team to your heart content with free training. Tap this one, free kick. So you have to practice your free kick to master the game. Select to move the position, you have to choose the position when you are taking free kick. Or maybe this one, the middle one. Tap confirm. And this is the free kick training, so you can select kicker. Maybe you want a right foot player, you can change here, and you can do position shift like this, or you can switch view, and you have to flick the ball and draw an arc to create a curve like this. And you have to try more and more to make sure you are master this free kick. Let's try one more time with the left foot player. This one. So you have to learn, practice very often to make sure you are master in free kick. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.